Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Clermont, Florida because I'm currently visiting Lakeridge Winery. And the reason why I stopped here is because the entrance itself is so darn majestic. I mean, it's really cool. That's the vineyard right there. I'll show you guys. Oh there. So yeah, I figure I'll come here, stop by the road and show you guys what the entrance looks like. I do like it. Personally, I do like it. So I'm gonna go in. There shouldn't be a lot of people. I'm gonna be showing you guys inside the silos and everything. And although I will not be able to use the drone today, mainly because there's a correctional facility nearby and they don't allow drone footage to be shot from anywhere around this area. So, but nonetheless, it should be a good footage. So let's get to it. Okay, everybody, I'm currently at the entrance. I'm gonna show you guys, well, around first before I go inside, because you guys are gonna see parts of the vineyards. Now I cannot walk to it, like I cannot get in it because it's not allowed, mainly because there's wildlife in it and they don't want anybody to get harmed, you know, them becoming liable. It's understandable. I mean, this is an established business and I will respect it as such. And they gave me the opportunity to actually do this, so I'm very grateful. But yeah, let me show you guys the vineyards. Can I get closer to it? So this is part of the vineyards, guys. I really wish I had the drone show you guys from the air. See that section over there? Okay guys, I have you on this selfie stick and I'm going to elevate you like so you guys can see the majority of it, okay? So here we go. It is beautiful, man. That's incredible. The Lakeridge Vineyards, man. Ain't that a sight? All right, so right now I'm gonna start going inside and show you guys, you know, what it's all about. All right. Nice tables right there. Oh, well, I'll be darned. I never noticed that before. Nice little fountain. Lakeridge Winery, dedicated to your good taste. I have to agree. One of their most popular wines is called Southern Red and Southern White. They are dessert wines, and it's even to the folks who have very fancy palates will agree that that wine is quite delicious and it's great value for the money. I mean, each bottle costs maybe 10, 11 bucks. It's amazing. It's pretty good. Here's the entrance. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to go inside and let them know that I'm in before I start recording, okay? So I just finished speaking with the manager, Mr. Sam. Before I go in there and show you guys everything that's inside and the wine tasting and all that, there is some wine tasting that he mentioned that there are about 8 different wines you can actually try. And the grapes that they use are based here in the United States, so it's not important from Italy, anything like that. He told me there are some plaques on the walls that show you some more details. So once I get to that point, I'm gonna show you guys more details about the grapes that are being used and the process being used. Anyway, this is the staging area right here. This is where Friday and Saturday, I believe, things get quite lively in here. He mentioned there are times that there's up to 12,000 people in this stage right here. They have food trucks on the weekends, live music. I mean, this thing is ridiculous, man. It's right in my backyard, basically. I'm like maybe 30, 40 minutes away from here. It is beautiful. Look at those big silos. I'm not allowed to go back there behind the building. However, I can go near here and behind the stage. I mean, this place is really beautiful. And like I mentioned, value for money for the price of the wines. I mean, you'd be hard pressed to believe that it is much of value like that. All right, let's check the stage real quick. It's kind of nice. This is so cool. Oh, I'm at the highest point. I can probably show you guys better. Let me put you guys on the regular. There we go. I'm gonna extend you guys Check it out so you guys can see more of the vineyards. I think wide angle is better, guys. Yep, there we go. See a lot more. Whew. What a view, man. What a view. This is truly an honor that I was given, so I am grateful for it. So now that I show you guys part of the silos, they have the self tour, like I mentioned earlier, because of the COVID. So I'm gonna be going down some stairs and show you guys the inside. It's gonna be nice. Let's get to that. Okay, I'm gonna go inside right now, guys, and I have you guys on the regular angle because wide angle is gonna be taking way too many details out. So yeah. Hey, morning. You guys are live. Thank you guys again for this opportunity. Appreciate it. Show you guys the inside.
Yes. There are our wine glasses over here. We have a wine shop behind you, and then gift shop on the other side.
I converted my uncle to this wine.
Oh, really?
I know it. And he's got quite a fancy palate with like $100 bottles. I'm like, Uncle, try this. He's like, oh, this is better. How much is it? Yep. Great value for money.
Yeah,
I'm telling you. They ain't got t-shirts. I didn't know that. Well, this obviously the gift shop. The parts employees only. Obviously, it's a warehouse. Here we go. We hit the mother load here. Ooh, what is this? Muscadine. Oh yes, they use muscadine grapes. That's the name of the grapes they use. Muscadine grapes. See what I mean? Guys, check this out. You see that price? You see that? That's value for money. It may not look like much until you put it on your lips. Then you get converted. You realize how good it really is. They also have, higher prices on some other wines. However, still great value for money. Pinot Grigio, here it is. You be sure that if you buy this wine, you buy something good and Florida heritage. And here's my favorite, Southern Red. Oh, how I love you. Here it is. It's delicious. I am quite biased towards this wine. I'm not gonna lie. I am biased towards it. I buy it because it's truly delicious. All right, let's move ourselves over here. Oh, St. Augustine Lighthouse. I remember that one. I tried this one once. Very, very, very delicious. Very similar to Southern Red. A little higher price though. But still, great value for money. And here's another one. Green cherry. Oh my gosh. Talk about a delicious one. Whew. Delicious, man. Delicious wines. All right. So right now I'm gonna go up the stairs and show you guys the self tour. Walking through, here it is. All the machinery. Look at the old school machinery being used from back in the day. Wow. Here they have a visual tour.
In the vineyard prior to harvest, when we test the grapes.
If you guys ever come this way, this is not a bad spot to actually stop by. Well, I'm not gonna bore you guys with it, but however, I want you guys to see it. But there is a tour.
We determine a harvest time, and once the grapes are
Wine tour continues this door.
continue to test the juice through the fermentation, looking for
The wine cellar. This part looks really cool. All right, let me show you. That is so cool. Let's continue. All right, wine tour continues to this door. Woo, there's a lot of noise. Woo. That must be the wine press, the grape press. Harvest and crush. If you guys want to read that, you can pause it and read it. Emergency exit only. Oh, this is the other part of the warehouse, yeah. This is so cool. This is the other part of the silos. The gentleman is cleaning the machinery. That is so cool. Bottling, let's see here. Again, if you would like to read, you can pause this and read. Let's continue. This is what the self-tour will end. And here's where the wine tasting begins. Now, I got here quite early personally, so I don't believe I'll be doing a whole lot of wine tasting. Nonetheless, I do want you guys to see how everything looks. Man, I mean, you just can't put price on this, man. $8 for a great bottle of wine. I'm telling you. Southern White, here it is. It's one of the more popular ones. And Southern Red. My favorite. This is great. Look how much the bottle cost. $10.99. And I have met people who wear very fancy palates who drink $100, $200 bottles, and they have tried this and they say, holy guacamole. My uncle is one of them. He's got a very fancy palate. I converted him. Oh, this place is amazing. I love this place. This appears to be all the awards they have earned over the years. And there you have it, guys. This is Lakeridge Winery, one of my favorite places that you to go to from time to time. It's a staple here in Florida. They use grape here made in the US. I mean, doesn't get any better than this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it. The people here were so friendly and so welcoming to me, and I'm very grateful for that. Special thanks to the manager Sam and his employees, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.
Not a problem.
So the gentleman right here is showing me that they take Southern Red and they actually make it with a tea bag that's made of what exactly?
So it's called the mulling spices, and what you're going to do is you just drop it in a pot on the stove top with the Southern Red, half a bottle of water, some brown sugar, and then you just put this on the stove top, let it steep like tea for about a half hour.
Wow.
You get the hot spiced wine, or Glühwein is the German.
Glühwein.
Yeah.
Well, I'm about to try it. Let's see what it's all about. Excellent. Oh, it tastes like a cinnamon.
Yeah.
Like a cinnamon bun. Like a very, very tasty liquid cinnamon bun.
It's like a holiday in a cup.
Oh, it reminds me of Christmas.
Yeah, there you go.
And the holiday, yeah, wow. Thank you.
Absolutely.
You guys got it. They have their own little secrets.